Looking for a fun, competitive trading event to test your skills? No matter what level, all are invited to TTF's brand new Profit League. Sign-ups open soon, and the event starts this November.
So you just saw our intro video for Profit League. TTF is hosting their first ever Profit League, which is a trading competition for all level traders. It's TTF's first ever individual based trading competition. We have done trading competitions in the past, actually 7 of them, 7 seasons, I believe, Jay, the strategy wars that we have done. If you have ever competed in a strategy wars for us, similar-ish in concept in that it's a fun, lighthearted type of competition meant for all level traders. However, this one is individual based. So if you like the idea of camaraderie, community, and teams in a sense, you'll still get that. But if you really want to be able to climb your way up a leaderboard, you're also going to get that now. You will be able to individually compete in Profit League. You also will no longer have to be pigeonholed into one strategy. You can bring your own strategies with you. So any strategy style, any version of trading that you personally are working with is welcome. Like Strategy Wars, we do require you to submit your trading plan, and that's to make sure that you're not just YOLOing yourself to the top of the competition and doing risky behaviors that could turn into very bad long-term behaviors. So we do want to make sure that from an educational point of view, you guys are still competing in a very smart and safe way. We are excited because there are going to be similar twists because we can't have a trading competition without our commissioner Jay here doing some crazy twists. I miss time travel. So Jay, do you want to talk about time travel actually? Like explain what they might expect in these twists?
So I figure, you know what? Let's bring a little blast of the past and time travel, make it a little educational too on the side, where we go over booms and busts like the dot-com bubble, Great Depression, the telecom boom, all kind of things in that nature. And good individual competition is fun with a little twist because you always have to add a little twist. There's also prizes for people in all aspects of the leaderboard too. It's not just the top portion. We'll have prizes for people all over the place. So it's good to stay motivated for that entire month because you could still land on that.
We have prizes. We are giving away cash prizes this time around. So you'll have cash prizes, gift cards, a chance at some merchandise, of course, the bragging rights, and the coveted badges. We will have badges in the Discord because we know everybody loves to have their bragging rights when it comes to their badges and showing that they were one of the top traders for whatever competition. But this time it'll be a profit lead. You will have a chance at all of that. And like Jay said, you do not have to be in the top tier. If you are interested in competing, you make sure you're signed up. If you're already a member, you can check it out in the Discord. But if you are not, go to our website, view.trdfloor.com. You can go through the homepage there, and then you can sign up for either a monthly or a yearly option. If you're just looking to be part of the competition, then just sign up for the monthly version of it and make sure that you cancel. But if you are looking for something more long-term to really build the trading skill, then I would suggest the yearly, and you can have access to everything that we offer here. So you will get access regardless, not just to the competition when you're signing up for that price. You'll get access to all of the resources to really help you throughout the competition. So all of the educational stuff that we offer at the trading floor, you'll also have access to our roadmap and to our Earn As You Learn program, which you can use in this competition as well to help you. If you're looking to have some trade ideas given to you potentially to help you along with it, maybe you're having a tough day or whatever, that is also available for you to use in the competition too. So you will have access to all of that along with the competition and being able to enter in for some of these prizes. You also get access to the community as always and us, your staff and your mentors. The sign-up dates end on the 4th. We give you one extra day, but the competition will actually start on the 3rd. It's better to sign up sooner than later because we'll have a little bit of limited availability when it comes to this, because we want to make sure that the mentors and the staff are able to really look over the plans that you're submitting and give the help and guidance to all of you who are looking for it. If you see here, we have the Profit League area where you'll see all of the rooms. But you'll have the rules that you can go through. You'll have testimonials that will be filled once you get posting your trades. And then you'll have the battlefield where you'll be able to post questions, talk to each other, and access us as well. If you have any questions or issues, comments, anything that you would like feedback on, we are there to help you always throughout this competition. I myself will be in it competing, and Jay will be in it as well as the staff. We are not going to be taking prizes though, so we look forward to seeing you over there, and keep an eye out for another video to come soon about my personal style of trading and the strategy that I'll be using for the Profit League competition. That is it for this video. Check out the trading floor website if you want to join in, and that's it. Good luck to everybody who's competing.
May the odds be ever in your favor.
Bye.